During the last 18 years, these are the three stages which have helped me to build a high paying career, right from being a trainee to an assistant vice president. And let me share with you these three stages which will also help you to build your mid level career, because this is the stage which is the most crucial stage of your career. Let me tell you, any decision that you take today, it will have an implications on your wealth that you generate over a period of time, the family happiness that you create, the work life balance that you create for yourself, and also the relationship that you build over a period of time. And if you are in that mid level and if you are seeking a growth, maybe either through searching a job right now, or even in the current career that you are in, you want to grow to the next level, then these three strategies will be really critical for you to implement. And let me start with this. The first strategy is to actually discover the design. What do I mean by that? By discovering the design, you are simply identifying who you are and what do you stand for in the market today with respect to your skills, your strategies, your experience, your strength, and everything that you come across as an employee or as a career prospect. So when you come across with this strategy, you need to define yourself in that discovering design phase. And when you define that discovering design phase, the next step that you need to take is positioning for network. What do I mean by that? When you are positioning for the network, you essentially position yourself as an authority and build your personal brand in such a way wherein you are invited for the various career opportunities available in the organization as well as outside the organization. That brings me to the third strategy, and that strategy is strategizing the peak performance. Let me tell you, as an employee, we come across various challenges at various stages of our career. Right from finding a new job wherein we are struggling to have the job interview, then also about getting the interview done successfully. That means it also means that you have to negotiate the salary in such a way that you get the enough deserving growth in the bargain. And post that strategic negotiation and you get selected in the organizations, you also work hard in order to get into a high appraisal zone, that is the top 10%, as well as you actually fast track towards the promotion, that is your next level. And if you are not strategizing any of these steps, and if you are just searching a job like any other person, that was the approach that you used to do 10 years back and you are still using, let me tell you, my dear friend, that you are actually going towards the wrong track. The reason is not that you will not get the job. The reason is that you will not get the job that you deserve. You will not get the job faster enough, and you will not get the growth that you need to have at that career level. And I applied those three strategies. And when I applied those three strategies, I also thought about you. Because last 2 years, I was doing the research around how my career went in the last 18 years. And I spoke to thousands of professionals in my network in order to understand this basic criteria, that is what are the three key element strategies that you can apply to any mid-level career which can help them grow and build their high-paying career instead of ending up being an average employee.
Now that you have seen what are the reasons why the mid-level professionals actually get stuck for the various stages of their career, I would like to invite you for this exclusive masterclass that I have arranged for only the mid-management professionals. Now, this masterclass also comes with a free gift worth 2000 rupees, where you can actually get access to the 7-step program, where you will understand step by step what you are making as a mistake that you shouldn't be making in the mid career. And when we meet in the masterclass, we will try to identify what mistakes that you are particularly making in your career and how do you actually get rid of that faster. So I look forward to see you in this exclusive masterclass for you. Till that time, stay tuned and God bless.